Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting frequently on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, go to search menu and type network connection. Comes up a view network connection, click on open it. Right click on where internet connection and select properties. Select configure option. And go to power management tab. Uncheck this option, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power and select OK. And now check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to select the Wi-Fi, click on this arrow, right click on the Wi-Fi and select properties and set this to private network and just close tab here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, go to search menu and in services, click on open it. In services, type WLAN auto config service, double click on it. Set this to automatic and start the service. If it is stopped, then select apply and OK for save changes, and now your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.